Hey guys, hope you're all doing good. Today we are going to summarize the novel Lord of Flies written by William Golding. Let's get started. Novel Lord of Flies is written by the British author William Golding in 1954. He is a Nobel Prize winner, and in this book he explains about the boys who struck in an island, and also he explains how they changed themselves from modern civilization to an uncivilization. The most important characters of this novel are Ralph, Piggy, Jack Merridew, Simon, Roger, Sam, and Eric. Ralph. He is the protagonist of this novel and is 12 years old. He becomes a group leader because he is calm and rational. He represents a liberal democracy and also coordinates the boys. Piggy. He is the Ralph's lieutenant. He is intellectual boy in the group and also wears the glasses. Jack Merridew. He is the antagonist of this novel and is the leader of Boy Square. He is cruel and hunts pigs. He opposes Ralph. Simon. He is shy and a good person who spends most of the time alone. He finds the true identity of the monster, but before he reveals it, he was murdered by everyone in the feast. Roger. He is Jack's lieutenant and he is cruel and beats everyone. He throws stones at the twins and scares them. And he is the one who killed Piggy. Sam and Eric. They are the twins called Sam and Eric by everyone and are grouped with Ralph. These are the most important characters in this novel. Ralph, a fair-haired boy, meets a chubby boy, Piggy. In the midst of war, the plane-carrying group of boys crashed and is scattered over the ocean. These two boys were around the shore. They found a conch shell and used it to check if there are any other boys surviving after the plane crash. Some boys assembled in the beach after hearing the conch sound. Among them, there was a group of choir boys. They also have a leader named Jack. The boys plan to elect a leader among Jack and Ralph. All the boys vote for Ralph except the choir boys. Ralph wins the vote and asks Jack to be a hunter. Also, he asked Jack and Simon, a choir boy, to explore the entire island. They found the end of an island with mountains and there is no sign of people nearby. They also found a pig while returning to beach. Jack tries to kill it but it escapes. Jack returns to beach and Ralph uses the sound of conch shell to gather the boys. He asks everyone to gather few things for their survival. And Ralph says that the person who uses the conch shell will get the right to speak and others would listen to them. Jack shares about the pig which he saw while returning and also says that more hunters are needed to kill animals. He knew that the plane crashed and a group of boys were struck in an island. Piggy reminds it to Ralph and also gives an idea to put on the fire near the beach and asks the boys not to let it off. While seeing the fire, they believe that someone might rescue them. The boys collected the wood and set them on fire. Jack asks his group members to keep the signal fire going. And Piggy tells everyone that the boys playing over the fire is missing and all the boys are shocked. Jack cannot kill any pigs and he walks back to beach empty-handed. There he saw Ralph and Simon building huts for small boys, but the huts are falling down. They cannot build it properly. Every boys are playing and are having fun. Ralph says that these boys are excited during the meeting, but they are not excited to work. He feels sad about the boys who are scared about the monsters. He tells it to Jack, but Jack only thinks about the pig and planning how to kill it. He doesn't care about what Ralph is conveying. When Ralph asked Jack to help him with building, he refused. He said that he wanted to hunt pigs and they both started to have a small cold war. The small boy spends most of their time playing and eating fruits. Having large amount of fruits made their stomach upset and some older boys torment them. Roger, along with Morris, throw stones at their sand castles and make them cry. Jack, along with other boys, goes to hunt the pig. Meanwhile, Ralph and Piggy seize the ship, but the signal fire is gone out. So, the ship didn't see them. Ralph is ferocious about Jack and his group for not letting the signal fire on. Jack came back with pig meat along with other boys. Jack and Ralph had a fight, and Piggy complains about Jack's irresponsibility, and Jack slapped him. Jack at last understood his mistake but didn't apologize to Piggy. Everyone there roasted the meat and started to eat it. Ralph gathers the boys and complains them that they are not following the rules. The small boys are bothered about the monsters. Ralph explains that there are no monsters. One small boy blabbers that he saw it, and when others ask him where he says that it comes from the ocean at night. Jack promises that he would kill it, and all the boys follows Jack dancing and running. While the boys were sleeping, the military airplanes were fighting above the island. None of the boys knew it. Sam and Eric, who are responsible for signal fire, woke up from the sleep and finds the image of monster, and they are terrified and ran to Ralph. Boys, after knowing what Sam and Eric have seen, they started to search the monster. Ralph goes first and declares that there is no monster. They came back to beach and started to put on the fire again. Ralph notices the dirtiness of the group and stares the sea while walking back to mountain. Simon understood Ralph's mind and walks with him. Ralph hunts for the first time in his life and he strikes a boar, but it escaped. Night, all the boys returned, but Jack, Ralph and Roger continued their search for the monster. Jack goes along to the mountain top and is scared. They all saw a dead paratroopers which has the image of monsters. They are all terrified and goes back to their place. Jack gathers the meeting using the conch shell and tells about the monster they saw last night. Ralph tells Piggy that Jack would hide himself if the monster attacked. This angered Jack and told Ralph is not fit to be a leader and should be changed. When other boys refused, he left informing that anyone can join his group. Piggy feels relaxed after Jack has left. They started to put on the signal fire. Minnie joins Jack at the night and this disappoints Ralph. Jack hunts a nursing sow and he was offering it to the monster. Simon, who was alone, notices the offering and feels that sow is talking to him and faints there. Jack steals some wood from the signal fire and invites Ralph for the feast. Simon wakes up and goes back. On his way, he finds a dead body on parachute and understood that there is no monster. He wants to tell it to everyone and tries to go fast, but he couldn't. Due to hunger, Ralph's group boys joins Jack and Jack gives everyone the feast. He asks them about electing the leader. Jack becomes the chief of tribe. Everybody started to dance, including Ralph and Piggy. Simon arrives there to inform about the monster, but before that, everyone kills him, as if he is the monster, and leaves his body on the beach. The storm attacks there and lifts the body with parachute to the sky. The boys, seeing this, starts to scream and are scared. Ralph notices only Piggy, Sam and Eric are with him. They feel sorry for Simon and Jack becomes a cruel dictator and beats a boy so hard for making him angry. He thinks about stealing a wood from signal fire for a pig roast. Ralph's boys were tired of signal fire and sleeps that night. Jack's group started to attack them very badly and stole Piggy's glasses. Ralph tells his group that they would go to Jack and ask the glasses back. Sam and Eric were scared to meet them and finally they four went to Jack's place. Roger started to throw stones at the twins and scared them. Jack asks them to go to their place, but Ralph calls him a thief and explains the importance of signal fire and asks to return the glasses. Jack orders to tie up the twins and Piggy tries to speak using the conch shell. Roger attacks him and he is dead. Jack starts to attack Ralph and he flees for his life. The twins were tied up there and were tortured by Roger. Ralph hides there and thinks about Simon and Piggy. He sneaks to Jack's place and finds them guarding her. They gave him food and informed that all the boys are planning to attack him the next day. Ralph hides behind the bushes and sleeps there. The twins were beaten up for speaking with Ralph and asked where Ralph is hiding. Jack fires the entire island to find Ralph. Ralph runs for his life, chased by all the tribes. He reaches the beach and falls there. He notices a naval officer with ship arrived there for their rescue after viewing the fire. The officer promises that he would rescue them and Ralph started to cry. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you all loved it. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel Novels Love and do share it with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.